last part is to give your fish at least 2 different textures. To do so, you'll probably find that a pencil is the easiest thing. Make sure to use a pencil from your cup of tools. Otherwise, look on the clay shelf and use a pencil from there and not our clay box. I recommend working with the scales or drawing the scales first. And scales are simply a C, okay? Depending upon what side you're working on, or a rainbow. You can see mine is in reverse. And it's just a matter of placing C upon C. It's like we're connecting those rainbows. Okay, as you're doing this, you're going to know that the clay kind of balls up. And all you have to do is just gently rub over it, and those clay balls will disappear. Okay. If you find that it's taking a little bit longer than you had hoped for to make these C's, remember this is your art, and you're gonna have it for a long time. So enjoy the process of making them, or simply make those rainbows a bit bigger. They can transition to a slightly larger size. As you see me doing this, you'll notice that I'm not doing up here and I'm not doing down here. I'm just planning on finishing this row up, and then I can begin putting those in other areas. Okay, so now I'm going to focus on this and kind of transitioning this other side to here. Okay, so I'm just gently drawing those on there, and then rubbing over it, I should say. Yeah. Pretty gently. It's just on the surface. And then same thing with these fins. I was simply going and just using my pencil and dragging it in there to create the bony texture for those back fins that are going to steer my fish. So it can be helpful to make sure all finger marks and just it's quite smooth before you go back in and draw these textures in place. But have fun.